Hello friends, I am Lakshay from your dear channel Learning with Visualization. Today we will read about moon. In this video we will read what is moon made up of, internal structure of the moon, who discovered the moon, who was the first to walk on the moon, and some facts about on moon. So let's start. Now, what is moon? A large round object that circles the earth and that shines at night by reflecting the light of the sun. Then here is the picture of the reflection of the moon. Now, what is moon made up of? The moon is a rocky satellite that orbits the earth. It has a thicky rocky crust with lunar soil called regolith and large basal deposits, which are dark-colored rocks formed by rapidly cooled lava. Now, the next one is lava. The mantle is made up of both solid and semi-solid rock. On the inside of the moon is a solid iron core. Now we will read about internal structure of the moon. Like the earth, the moon boasts a crust, mantle and core. Deep inside of its interior, the moon may have a solid iron core surrounded by a softer, somewhat molten liquid iron outer core. The outer core may extend as far out as 300 miles. That means 500 kilometers. These are the pictures of the internal structure of the moon. There are crater, lunar maria, lunar terra, crust, mantle, partial male, outer core that is liquid, and the inner core which is solid. Now the next is, who discovered the moon? Galileo Galilei is a scientist and he was the first scientist to discover physical details about the individual bodies of the solar system. He discovered that the moon was cratered. He also discovered that the sun was marked with sunspots and that Jupiter has 4 satellites in orbit around it. This is the picture of Galileo Galilei. Who was the first to work on moon? On July 21, 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first human to step on the moon. He and Edwin Aldrin walked around for 3 hours, whereas the third astronaut, Michael Collins, remained in the spacecraft Apollo 11 to remain in touch with the Earth. Now the next is some facts on moon. First is Earth natural satellite is called Luna in Latin language. The moon is second densest satellite. The moon is drifting away from the Earth. And fourth is the moon was formed when a rock smashed into Earth. Fifth, the moon reflects about 7% of the light that falls on it. Sixth, the moon is the brightest object in the sky after the sun. 7. The surface of the moon is rocky and uneven as meteorites has caused craters on it. 8. The moon is 3,84,400 kilometers away from the Earth. The moon is about 1 million kilometers away from the sun. The lunar soil of the moon is also known as regolith. The moon does not rotate as it does not have its own axis. When two moons occur in a month, the second full moon is termed as a blue moon.
This is all about this session. Bye friends.
Hello.